Hey everyone, welcome to the video on bulk upload through desktop. All you have to do is first go to the link that we have given, then log in using your SmartBiz credentials. Once you have logged in, you will see a dashboard like this. Then go to the top right section, click on bulk action and then add products. Now, to get a template of the file, click on the download button. You will get the template ready here. Now, as you can see, this is a blank template. We have already made a template for us for the reference so that you can refer this and fill in your template accordingly. First, you have to fill in the product name, then the MRP, selling price, business category you can select from the drop down menu. After that, yes, after that, click on the product category. You can also select the product category from the drop down menu. Then type in the product description. If you're adding a variant, first select parent in the first option in the drop-down menu. After selecting parent, the variation can be dependent on size or color. After adding the parent, add the child variants below it. As you can see, we have added the child variants of ceramic bowl, and these variants depend on the color and size. After that, fill in the other options like if it's a bestseller, and all the other options. Now we'll teach you how to add images of the products. Now there is a website given as Imgur on the instruction sheet itself. All you have to do is first open your product, then copy the product and drop it down on the website. We have copied the product to the website. Once it's done, go to copy image address by right clicking on the image. After you have done it, go back to your sheet and paste it. Just be careful that it should be in a PNG format. As you can see, this is in a PNG format. This can also be in a JPEG format, but be sure it's in a JPEG or a PNG format only. After all this is done, save the file. After saving it, go back to your dashboard. Now click on choose file, go to bulk action and then choose file. Now select the file that you have edited. As you can see, all the variants are added, all the products and the variants are being added here. If there's an error in the file, you will see a error file popping up. You can download it and see the errors and correct it and re-upload it again. All right, as you have seen, all the products have been uploaded to the catalog. Now we'll go to the website and see all the products. So here are all the products and the categories under which we had uploaded. And as you can see, all the variants and the products have been successfully uploaded. Thank you.